Hello everybody, and today it is going to be a very quick and short video for today. I'm going to be showing you how you can get the highest possible in Animal Company Arena map. Because there is no barrier in the sky for all I know. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get super duper high. So, first, you're going to need 2 revolvers. If you have both hip slots unlocked, this makes it even better. You have these. I don't know if heart guns will work. I'm gonna experiment with that now. And you want a shotgun on your back because it does propel you a little bit. All right, so we go. If we get maximum possible height, we can climb up to the radio tower, but we're not doing that. Right? And then we just fall. And right over here. That is just about the highest you can possibly get in Animal Company VR or in the arenas. I'm gonna try heart guns this time. Shotgun on my back. No boulders. Okay. Now, let's go. You can climb up there for maximum height. Possible, but we're not going for that. We're just going really high. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, Hold on, I gotta see if heart guns still move you. Apparently they don't move people anymore. That is about... Okay. So that is about it. I've learned that heart guns do not move players anymore, which is really weird. But that's fine, I guess. Well, anyway, that is all I have for today's video. And if you would like to see more of my content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Like Corey Kenshin says, it's free. And you can always unsubscribe later. I honestly forgot. I haven't watched them in a bit. Or as that one Minecraft YouTuber, Skip the Tutorial, says, it's free and it helps out a ton. Anyway, done with the yap session. See you guys in the next video. Go boom!